Before we begin, take a moment, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see love, connection, and yourself. Welcome to Magda Kay Hub, a space for deep, honest conversations about intimacy, relationships, and human connection. Let's begin. A single hug, just a few seconds long, can leave a lasting emotional imprint. That's not exaggeration, it's psychology. But here's the part most people overlook. The way you hug someone can either build attraction or quietly erase it. Most men don't realize they're being evaluated in that exact moment. A woman may not consciously think about it, but her mind and body are reading everything. Your energy, your confidence, your presence, and within seconds, she forms a feeling. Not based on your words, your status, or your effort, but based on how that hug made her feel. Let's start with something simple but powerful. The hug begins before you even touch her. Your approach matters more than you think. If you walk in hesitantly, avoiding eye contact, unsure whether to hug or not, her nervous system picks up on that uncertainty. And hesitation kills attraction. On the other hand, if you walk toward her calmly, with relaxed confidence, soft eye contact, and a genuine expression, it creates a sense of ease before the hug even begins. There's also a small but powerful detail, the pause right before your arms wrap around her. There should be a brief moment, a fraction of a second, where you're close enough to feel each other's presence, but not touching yet. That tiny pause creates anticipation, and anticipation activates the same emotional pathways as reward. It builds a subtle spark before contact is even made. Now let's talk about pressure, because this is where most men get it wrong. Too light and the hug feels empty, like there's no real presence behind it. It communicates uncertainty even if you don't mean it that way. Too tight and it feels overwhelming, almost intrusive. That can trigger discomfort instead of connection. The sweet spot is a firm but gentle embrace. Strong enough that she feels held, but soft enough that she still feels safe. This balance is important because safety is the foundation of attraction. If she feels safe in your presence, her body relaxes, and that's when real emotional connection begins. Hand placement matters too. Your hands should rest naturally on her upper or mid-back with open, relaxed palms. Not stiff, not awkward, not just fingertips. Open palms signal confidence and openness. It's a small detail, but it changes how the moment feels. Now here's the rule that changes everything, the one almost no one talks about: your breath. When you hug someone, take a slow, calm breath, not exaggerated, not forced, just natural and steady. Something incredible happens when you do this. Her body begins to mirror your rhythm. This is called co-regulation. Your calm breathing tells her nervous system you're safe. And when someone feels safe around you, they relax into you. That's when the hug shifts from physical to emotional. Most people rush hugs. They treat them like quick formalities, arms on, arms off, done. But when you slow down, when you breathe and stay present, you create something deeper. A moment that actually means something. And just before you pull away, pause for one extra second. That single second changes the entire experience. It communicates that you weren't in a rush, that you were present, that the moment mattered, and even if she can't explain it, she'll feel it. Now let's talk about something even more overlooked: the exit. The way you leave a hug is just as important as how you enter it. Most people pull away too quickly, breaking eye contact, stepping back awkwardly, and killing the emotional warmth that was just created. But if you exit slowly, if you allow your hands to gently release instead of snapping away, you maintain that connection just a little longer. And here's the key: eye contact. As you pull away, hold her gaze for a couple of seconds, not intensely, not in a forced way, just a soft, genuine look with a slight smile. This moment reinforces everything the hug just created. It leaves a lasting impression. Because attraction isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in small, subtle moments like this. Moments where someone feels seen, safe, and connected. So let's bring it all together. First, your approach sets the tone. Walk with calm confidence and intention. Second, use balanced pressure, firm but gentle with natural hand placement. Third, breathe slowly and stay present. Allow the moment to unfold instead of rushing it. And fourth, Exit with warmth, slowly with eye contact and a genuine smile. None of this requires you to be perfect. It doesn't require looks, money, or status. It requires awareness. Because at the end of the day, attraction is not about what you say. It's about how you make someone feel. And a simple hug, done right, can say more than words ever could.